Hi, I'm Gustavo, and I'd like to help you become proficient in Python. While Python's resemblance to the English language might make it seem easy to learn, this can lead to underestimating the challenges that come with mastering any programming language. With 8 years of experience teaching Python to over 2,000 students, I have learned how to guide you effectively, helping you gain practical skills while avoiding frustration. Additionally, if you need a specific consultation, I'm more than happy to assist you in overcoming any obstacles. I will be respectful of the time and money you have invested. Thanks for watching, and I hope to be of assistance.